Hello everyone, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can create your first WordPress website. And I will be quick and step by step, especially for beginners. And the first thing I did is we did purchase the domain name just for this video. You can use any domain name registrar or hosting provider. In this case, I did purchase the domain from a broker and the hosting from another broker, just to show you how you can link those two, even if the providers are different. And let's get started. So as you can see, the domain name is on Namecheap. The hosting is on Verpex. So first, after purchasing the domain name, all you need to do is go into manage, as you can see, and in manage, click on advanced DNS. No. And after clicking on domain, as you can see, you will see a section called name servers. It can be different on your domain provider, but they are the same. Name servers or DNS servers. And basically here we need to choose custom DNS servers because the hosting are in a different broker. If they are on the same platform, you can just use a Namecheap web hosting DNS. In our case, it's on another broker, the hosting, so we are going to choose custom DNS. And then you see that I have two cases that I will fill, and let's grab the name servers on the hosting details. First click on manage, as you can see, and as you can see directly we have the name servers for our hosting, which is ns1mysqlcloudhost.com. They are four, as you can see. Just copy and paste. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. And you can add more, as you can see. Three. Here is the third one. And here is the fourth one. So as you can see, those are the four name servers that we need. In some company, there are just three or sometimes just two. It depends on the hosting company. But you can add as many as they are, you can add name servers, as you can see. So after that, just apply. And now you can see that DNS server updates may take up to 48 hours to take effect, as you can see. So here you have two options. You can either wait for 48 hours, or you can follow the video that I will put on the description. There is a method that will help you to avoid the propagation of the hosting, and they will be linked automatically, especially on your computer. If you are late and you want to work, and This way, so this video will help you to achieve that. Or if you have time, you can wait for 48 hours, as they say. So as you can see, it still needs time for the domain name and the hosting to be linked. If you want to do that quickly, watch the video in the description. But it will be showed only on your computer, but the viewers or visitors will not be able to see the website. And after the propagation is completed, don't forget to delete the editing that you did on your host file. So that's it for the video. This will be as a part one of the linking the domain name with the hosting. It will be a part two. Watch the part two. I will pass the link also on the description for you to create your first WordPress website. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, comment, and check the description. Thank you for watching.